Hi, this is Jed with Forex Strategy Secrets. I wanted to share with you a video that one of our students and fellow traders, Ken, posted in our scanner forum. He's demonstrating here how to use the larger time frame scan and shows it historically where you would see it based on the criteria that the scan would look for and alert you to. So he's using vertical lines to show you what it looks like when you get a scan, what you need to go look for. And he's telling the truth. This was a scam that several of us were able to trade off of and do very well. And it doesn't have to be short-term or long-term. It can be either or, and both for that matter. So take a look at this video, and don't take my word for it or his. Come check it out for yourself. But here it goes.
Hi, I wanted to do a quick 2-minute video. Many Traders Friday, which was yesterday, had success on the pound yen. And the video is going to be about, okay, how come this was a successful trade for many? Okay, right now we're on the 4-hour. What I'm going to do, and this is something that you can do. This is what I'm trying to convey. We have on the 4-hour it's below its 34. But what's more important, or just as important, we have a red filter on the correct side of the zero line. It also is a 4-bar. Now, let's go to the 1-hour. What do we have? Filter on the correct side of its zero line. And it's below, the 1-hour is below its 34. The 15-minute, right here, it's below the 1534, and it's a 4-bar. Okay, and even if you wanted to, let's go to the 5-minute, and what do we have? Now this black line is the 1534, but you could have got in earlier, but this is a safe trade. Okay, we have a 4-bar on the 5-minute. And that's what I mean by, on my earlier videos, how you practice using vertical lines. You don't use the vertical lines in live trading, but you can go back in time, which I have just done, and see how powerful the scan is. We would have gotten a scan on the 4-hour, right here, filter, 1-hour filter, 15-minute filter. All right. We would have gotten a scan also on the 1-hour filter, the 15-minute filter, and the 5-minute. And if you noticed, and you guys have been around for a while, don't take it personal. I know you know all this. But that's the power of using vertical lines. You see, okay, this is why the scans work. So in live trading, you wait for the scans to come to you. Okay? And that's about it. I went over 3 minutes, but that's not too bad. I think most people will watch this. Okay, that's it for the video. I like making them because I learn by them. It helps me visualize how it's supposed to look. And you can do the same by using vertical lines. And in live trading, wait for the scan to come to you. Okay. I'll see you later. Bye.
Hope that was helpful for you, and hope that gets you excited about trying out the 1551 strategy, the filter and the Norwood scanner, to bring profits into your own trading accounts, and come take part in this really dynamic group. Let me just show you a little bit about how it looks. We've got all kinds of discussions going on here, but this is, Daniel sums it up really well. He says, just want to say, this forum is so active and awesome, and thank you to all. The Norwood strategies are solid, and this helpful Skype group will be a major component in my huge success. Just speaking for myself, I'm sure loads more feel the same way. And I have to add my sentiment to that. I agree. It is amazing to see how much more effective we have been as a group as of late. The forum is becoming very dynamic, and trades are being called out, scans are being discussed, success is being shared, and the scanner and the filter and the strategy are spot on. It takes all the guesswork out and makes trading very easy, very predictable, and very profitable. So I invite you to come take advantage of it. Come look at what we have to offer. We will talk to you later. Jed Norwood signing off.